Hey everyone, this is Scott Neal from Scott Neal Real Estate, and I have an exciting announcement for anyone who wants to sell their home. At Scott Neal Real Estate, we have just rolled out a brand new program where we will give you $20,000 to get your home sold. What's the catch? Well, it's a loan. You got to use the money to make repairs and renovations, and you got to pay us back. But there's no payments and no interest. That's right, no payments and no interest. Scott Neal Real Estate will give you up to $20,000 to make repairs and renovations so that you can sell your home for a higher price and in a shorter amount of time. It has been our experience that the people that are willing to pay the most for homes are the people who don't want to have to do anything. They don't want to have to come in and make any repairs. They don't want to have to make any cosmetic upgrades. And there are lots of home sellers out there that either don't have the financial resources or the will to make these repairs and renovations. And so a lot of people right now are just selling their home at a steeper discount than what they really need to do. So in order to combat the iBuyer movement and a lot of the wholesalers and the people that are having to just dump their properties off, we decided to come in and help our clients get their properties sold. So again, Scott Neal Real Estate will give you up to $20,000 to make repairs and renovations to your property, interest-free, no payments. The money is just due at closing, and this is so that you can sell your property for a higher price and in a shorter amount of time. Now, there are rules and restrictions to this, and we'd like to find out if you qualify. So if you are interested in this program and you're thinking about selling your home, we'd love to talk with you and see if you qualify for this exciting program. Again, Scott Neal Real Estate will give you up to $20,000, no payments, no interest, just so that you can sell your home. So if you'd like to know more about this program, or if you'd like to just know about any type of real estate tips and tricks, whether you're a buyer or whether you're a seller, give us a call or send us an email, and we'd love to talk with you. So thanks and happy selling.